In this video I'll show you how to use the different text blocks here in systemeio, the cheapest and beginner-friendly marketing automation platform. I suppose you already know what systemeio is. If not, you can check the description and you will find many more info. I'm in a funnel page here on System, and as you can see here on the left side I have the text elements, and I have 4 of them: text, headline, bullet list and content box. As always in System, it's all pretty easy. Let's say I want to add a text element. I just need to grab this text element and drag and drop it here. So I just added this text element, it's formatted as a paragraph. And then obviously I can go here, edit. I can also choose to make some words bold. For example, I just need to select the word, highlight the word and go here on this little pop-up and choose bold. For the sake of this example, I can also change the color of a word if I want by using this little icon and maybe choose the red color, as you can see, or I can also add a link if I want to a single word or all my text by clicking here, by typing the link. I also have some other options: open link in a new tab, the nofollow, or I can also choose to open a pop-up when this link is clicked. And when I click on this text element, here I have on the left the specific settings for this specific text element. I can change the font size, I can change the line 8. This happens for all the elements, all the text elements. I can choose the font if I want a different font from the default one. I can choose the letter spacing. I can change the background color for this text element. Let's say I want it yellow, and this is an example. To reset the color, you just need to click on this icon, and you have the padding sections. Here below, you can choose if this text element will be shown on desktop, mobile, one, the other, both. And you also have the HTML ID attribute here. This can be useful if you want to add some custom code, for example. Now let's see the difference with the headline element. Let's drag and drop this headline here. As you can see, it's formatted as an headline, so the font is bigger. If I highlight this headline, I can choose the kind of H I want. In this case, it's an H3, but I can make it an H2 or an H1. This is for SEO reasons. And you also have your other settings, the same as the other text element, and the same settings here on the left side, obviously. Another text element is this bullet list. This is the bullet list, so you can see an example here. And again, I have some specific settings for the bullet list. I have the font type here on the left, the font size, the line 8, the vertical spacing, because I can space them in the way I like. I have the icon size, as you can see, only the icon size changes with this setting. You can change the icon. You can choose between different icons. So for example, I can use this other symbol. I can change the icon color. Let's make it green. You can also change the background if you want. And again, you have the padding and margin settings here. The last one is the content box. Let me choose this one and drag it here below. As you can see, this is a little different because it's like a box with a title, so you can set some different things here. The header visibility on or off if you don't want the header. Again, font size, you have the alignment for the headline. You can put it on the center or on the right if you want. You also have a shadow here, so you can choose to place a hard shadow. I think you can see it here. You can also set a border for this specific element with a width setting and some other settings like the style, the dotted one, and obviously the color. And you can also choose the radius here. Here is the wall radius, the angle radius, or you can choose specific angles. And here again another setting for the type of border, bottom only or top only, and so on. This is a content box because you can place here inside whatever element you want. So for instance the image. By the way, I made a specific video to show you how to upload images in System. You can find the link here in the description, but this is how the content box works. So these are the text elements in System. As always, is super easy to use, but anyway, if you have some questions or some doubts, please leave a comment below, and if you found this video useful, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and take a look at my other tutorials. Thank you very much for watching.